Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable form analytics with Microsoft Clarity, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable form analytics with Microsoft Clarity, start by logging into your Microsoft Clarity account. Once logged in, navigate to the project dashboard for the website you want to analyze. Click on the Settings option located in the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Form Analytics section. Toggle the Form Analytics switch to the On position. After enabling Form Analytics, return to the dashboard. Next, click on the Analytics tab at the top of the page. In this section, locate the Forms option to view data related to form interactions. You will see an overview of all forms captured by Clarity. Select a specific form from the list to dive deeper into its performance. Here, you will find useful metrics such as completion rates and fields causing drop-offs. Review heat maps that illustrate user interactions with the form fields. Analyze the data to identify any patterns or issues. Pay attention to fields with high abandonment rates for potential improvements. Use this information to optimize your forms for better user experience. Lastly, make any necessary adjustments to your forms based on your findings. Monitor the analytics regularly to track your changes' impacts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.